People have been succeeding, and their lives are being transformed. You can see it, but yours has just been wondering how the hell others are cracking these codes. What do they know that you don't? What are they doing that you aren't? Your lazy mind cannot simply wrap around these things or even comprehend it. But your vision, clarity, and identity, you seriously need to up your game on those, right? So you have been searching for a way to give the best meaning to your life. But there is a problem. It's not that you haven't found a solution yet. Actually, you have found many. The issue is, your lazy mind always seeks the easy way out, the comfort zones. They're too sweet for you to do without. Wondering how I'm able to read you like a book right now? Don't worry, I know. I've been in that position too. Truth is, to get an identity shift, you have to embrace discomfort and strategically apply intense effort to accelerate growth. So let's dive deep into a powerful concept that can unlock your rapid and almost unbelievable personal transformation. We'll talk about the alter ego effect, how intentionally creating and embodying a different version of yourself can be the key to achieving your biggest goals faster than you ever thought possible. Apply these teachings after watching this video and also see people come to you to ask you what the secret is. Your life will transform and it will feel so illegal in the eyes and understanding of others. Now, this might sound a little out there, like putting on a mask, but trust me, this is about something much deeper. It's about consciously architecting the person you need to become to achieve the life you truly desire. The power of the alter ego. So, what exactly is an alter ego in this context? It's like a sub-identity, or a symbolic shift that helps you achieve goals with optical focus. Think of it like a warrior going into battle. That symbolic act of shifting into a more focused, productive persona. Your victory. We will talk more about this, but here's how adopting the alter ego principle can drastically transform your life. When people look at you, it simply feels like magic. 1. Symbolic shift in identity. Identity shift enables a focused mindset for achieving goals. This is not about you saying to yourself and to others that you are now a different person. This is about taking a step or taking an action that can be significantly seen by people. And to you, it will be a symbol of alter ego to enhance focus and productivity. Let me give you a clear example. If you have watched the movie Legacies, you'd understand that for Ted to become the necromancer again,
The necromancer!
he had to give himself those same or similar marks on the face that he had previously when he was the necromancer.
So am I.
2. Create and accept a sub-identity. Alter ego serves as a sub-identity that allows you to step outside of your current self and see a bigger picture, enabling a new perspective on your challenges and goals. 3. Shift mental focus away from self-doubt and insecurities. When consciously embodying a new identity, the mind's limited conscious processing capacity, which processes around 50 bits of information per second, is consumed by focusing on how your alter ego should act. This leaves less bandwidth for negative self-talk, allowing for more decisive action and progress. 4. Alter ego acts as a vessel for identity change. You see, it's not just a temporary mask, but a conscious expansion into a new level of mind. The more time you spend in this alter ego, the more it can become a natural state, shifting your perspective on life. This conscious adoption helps you overcome faulty narratives instilled by society and break free from limiting environments and conditioning. 5. Ability to tap into a higher level of mind. Problems cannot be solved from the same level of mind that created them. By consciously adopting an alter ego with desired qualities, you can approach challenges with a more developed and resourceful mindset needed to solve problems and overcome a lack of perspective. This involves identifying aspirational archetypes and adopting their key qualities. 6. The alter ego is instrumental in entering war mode, a period of intense and rapid growth focused on attacking goals. This mode involves a deep commitment, often symbolized by a physical act. It necessitates embracing chaos, learning new skills, building valuable things, and exposing oneself to massive experiences, which provides the mental framework to push through the discomfort and uncertainty inherent in rapid transformation. By embodying the alter ego, you feel less reliant on motivation and discipline, and become the kind of person who naturally takes the necessary actions. This isn't just some quirky habit, though. The power of the alter ego lies in its ability to help you step outside of your current limitations and see a bigger picture. This separation provides a new perspective on your challenges and aspirations. It's like giving your full attention to a powerful new program, leaving no room for the old limiting beliefs to run in the background. So, how do you actually create this powerful alter ego that can catapult you toward your dreams? It all starts with vision. So, let's dive in. Chapter 1. Craft your compelling vision. The first crucial step is to define what you truly want. This isn't about setting generic New Year's resolutions. It needs to be a meaningful and compelling attention anchor that constantly pulls you forward away from doubt and fear. Your vision needs gravity and must be meaningful, something you want to dedicate your life to. Think of it as building your own sturdy mental house, a foundation you can rely on when things get tough. Figuring out what you truly want isn't always easy. You might feel lost or uninspired. It's okay if your initial vision feels a little inauthentic. The key is to get something down on paper. Could be anything. You can't improve upon an idea that only exists in your mind. So write it down and let it serve as your starting point for iteration. Just like building a product, your initial vision is just a theory until you put it into practice and see what works and what doesn't. It's not a straight line. It's an exploration of what resonates with you. To get you started, ask yourself some powerful questions. How do you want to look, speak, and be perceived, and why? What environment do you want to live in, and why are you choosing such an environment? If money reflects your impact, how much do you want to make? What can you see yourself getting really good at and known for, and why? What do you want your average day to look like in detail? Also, why? You can add, subtract, act, and refine your vision as you go through life. The key is to start somewhere, even if you lack motivation initially. Once you have that foundational vision, the next step is clarity. Chapter 2, Gaining Unwavering Clarity. Lack of self-confidence often stems from a lack of clarity. Clarity comes down to knowing exactly what to focus on. This isn't about luck. It's about strategy. It's about creating a plan. Your vision is your North Star, but your plan is the detailed map that shows you the first steps to take. Break down your grand vision into palatable milestones. Instead of being overwhelmed by a huge goal, focus on the very first step. For example, if your vision is to make $1 million a year, your first milestone might be making your first $1. What you need to do to get to that first dollar is vastly different and much more manageable than thinking about $1 million. Then, write down exactly what you need to do to reach that first milestone. Be specific, and crucially, write out exactly what you need to learn to do those things. Finally, list out the daily tasks that will actually move the needle forward, avoiding just busy work. Think about providing value and connecting with people. Get serious with your plan and don't give your lazy mind the room for procrastination. With a clear vision and a concrete plan, we can now move to the crucial step of identity, embodying your alter ego. Chapter 3, Embodying Your Powerful Identity. This is where the intentional adoption of your alter ego truly comes into play. And if you are dead serious about this journey, at this point, one thought-provoking question should be ringing a bell in your mind. Who must you become? Encourage yourself to think beyond your current limitations and create an alter ego that is more conscious and developed than you are right now. Remember, you can't solve a problem from the same level of mind that created it. Your alter ego allows you to tap into that higher level of thinking. Here are a few key steps. Choose 2 to 3 aspirational archetypes who have achieved what you want. Study their qualities. Write down the specific qualities you need to adopt to reach your goals, inspired by these archetypes. Give your alter ego a name. This makes it more real and tangible. Remember, this isn't just play acting. It's a vessel for identity change. You are consciously expanding into a new level of mind, and the more you embody it, the more it becomes your natural state. To truly ignite rapid transformation, you need to put your vision, clarity, and alter ego into action through war mode. Chapter 4, Initiating Intense War Mode. War mode is a period of intense growth where you aggressively attack your goals. It's different from monk mode, which is about withdrawal and reflection. War mode is about action, saying yes, and exposing yourself to massive experiences. Here are some powerful steps to kickstart your war mode. Commit with a physical act. This could be something drastic like shaving your head, symbolic of a point of no return, buying new clothes and changing your clothing style or pattern, or even making a financial commitment that forces you to succeed. The key is to eliminate any form of plan B you might have. Embrace chaos and prioritize learning and building. Dedicate time daily to acquiring new skills and creating something valuable. Get out of your routine and seek novel experiences. Focus on building your mind, body, and business. These are the fundamental pillars of your transformation. Invest your attention in mastering them. Expose yourself to a massive experience. Say yes to opportunities. Talk to new people and push your boundaries. This period of intense action, fueled by your alter ego, allows you to push past your comfort zone and experience rapid progress. Even if you stumble, you'll come out more developed. It's about putting yourself in a new tank so you can grow beyond your current limitations. There you have it. By intentionally crafting a powerful vision, gaining unwavering clarity, embodying a transformative alter ego, and unleashing your war mode, you can truly change your life faster than it feels legal. Remember, this isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about consciously becoming the person who is capable of achieving your biggest dreams. So, tell me, what kind of alter ego are you thinking of creating? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and development. And together, we will unlock your full potential. One thing I want you to note is that a tree cannot make a forest. And do not try to be that one tree that wants to make a forest on its own. So, you will really need that cheat code to make people become obsessed about you. To that effect, make sure you watch this next video, as every secret you need to unlock people's attention and genuine likeness are all stated there. Until we meet over there, don't just dream. Act on it.